going to be lifting opposite arm, opposite leg, keeping the shoulders and the hips in that neutral alignment. Okay, so nice and slow, lots of stability required here. Now you want to hold this for 5 seconds and swap it up. Okay, so set up the hips, shoulders dead straight, and hold for 5 seconds. Now, to advance this exercise, you're going to aim for length. So really long arm and really long leg. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, make sure those shoulders and the hips are dead in line. Long for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.